Hey, so while at TI in internet marketing, my colleagues that worked on the tracking systems, we used Site Canalys at the time for our tracking. And it was a little painful to get the page name and content group and stuff. These are supposed to be defined on every page. And so I made a simple tool. So if they have a given page loaded, right, let me move this down like this. If you run the script, it will go and pull, here's the page name and the content group, and it does a little more. It makes sure that it goes and gets the last one, so this makes sure we get the last one. It lowercases it because they're supposed to be lowercased, and so we get both those two things. And here I think also I could have had it where it shoves in the URL it was on if we want to do that, if we were doing these really fast. Of course I could have automated this and dump them into Excel for the person, but it was just a great easy way, because otherwise you have to go view source, then go find it, and then go get it. This made it just where they could hit a button and bam, there it is, right? So it was a really simple, easy to use tool for getting the page names and making sure they're there. If this came back, what I should have done was have it come back also, if it used some logic to say if it doesn't show up, or maybe it shows up in the wrong format, to raise the red flag to even dumb down what you have to do, and maybe have a contact link for the right person to contact about it. So this was an easy one. We're right here where we connect to IE, then we get the whole basically inner HTML of the whole page. I also stored here the URL of what we were on. And then this is where we rip over, here's the text, that's where I store it there, right? So rip over that text and go get it, use a regular expression here, parse it out, and do it on both of those, and then just shove it back into, displaying it. So it's a really simple script, but yet again, little things, right? It can save a ton of time. Hope that helps. Cheers.